Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Recursion can look scary, but we will solve this method call for 16 in just a few quick steps. Let us dive right in now. Starting with 16, the method adds the current number to a new call with half that value. We keep dividing by 2 until we finally hit our base case of 0. The sequence of numbers added together will be 16, 8, 4, 2, and 1. When we reach 0, the method returns 10, which we must add to our running total here. Adding 16, 8, 4, 2, 1, and 10 gives us 41. That makes option E our final winner for this problem. You totally nailed it. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and watch signs. Trust given values and check your steps.